Gabby, do I try and get her to come in the house with it?
No.
She's put it down.
What you got, Gabby? Eh? What's that you've caught? Better than the worm you caught earlier on, isn't it?
It's dead, isn't
She's
it?
seen that moving in that bush up there and she went charging after it. 2 seconds later she come back with it. Gabby, what you got?
Or the other one's coming over to get it. Is it gonna open?
It's her catch, she won't even able to getting it.
Is she going to eat it?
Probably not.
What's the point in her having it then?
Where are you going with that? Come back.
I almost tripped there. She's running up a bush. Maybe she saw something else.
She didn't.
She's going to leave that and get that. Or she's just going in there to eat it.
She's just trying to get away from Buster in case he takes it. You're not sharing it, Gabby. Give us a bit. Give us a bit. Come here.
It's hiding under there. Stay there.
Buster, come and get Gabby.
Buster can smell her. There it is, she's put it down and left it.
Eh?
She's put it down and left it. Can we go and get it?
No. Where is she?
She's left that, I know that. But that's all me. She ran under that car.
Gabby, where's your mouse?
There's it.
Has she got it?
Come, Buster, never mind her. You stop, man. Come, Buster. What? Cookies.
Don't say that when you haven't got any.
I'll get biscuits in. Where is she? Buster, go and get Gabby. I'll go and find Gabby.
I can see her. She's just coming out. Stay there.
It's her prey.
Give us a bit of your mouse, Gabby. Give us a bit. You keep that all to yourself?
Because it's small. If she leaves it, then maybe Buster can eat it. Come on. Buster, look. Get. She's left it.
She's got it in her mouth. Don't throw that. Don't.
She's going to get it, but
Don't throw the stuff.
she goes to get it. And then we... Oh, do you need to go in there now?
Gabby, let's see what you've got.
Yeah.
I'm not going to steal it off.
Scared now.
I'm not going to steal it off you.
Look what
Eh? Oh no. Right, you get that out of here. Take it out. Get that out of here. I don't want that in here. Take it out. Get it.
Probably. How can you put that up? How can you do that? Ew.
It's not a mouse. It's, what do you call them?
Rose?
Look at it. Look at it in the camera.
Give it a buster.
It's can't remember what you called it. It'll come to me later.
Is it still alive?
Does it look alive to you?
No, not really.
Open your mouth.
No!
Gabby, come here. Here. Here, it's here. Here. Gabby. Here. Go get it. Don't do that, I'm fine, huh? Right, leave it to it.